Okay, this is a giant bag full of Polly Pockets. I'm gonna see how Tati's gonna freak out. Tati! Hi, Tati. What do you think this is? What is that?
Toy?
What is it? Open it up. Here, put it up here. Open it. Let's see what it is. What is all
Sit
that?
on you. I'm gonna sit
All
on
right,
you.
come on there.
It's a Polly Pocket.
It's all new extra Polly Pockets. How you like that? Can't see over your arm. How is that? Is that good stuff?
She said, "Oh,
Are you awestruck? Open it up.
go ahead, dump it out."
Whoa! Like a blanket. I'll play with you too. But this is only for girls.
No, Gino can play.
I can
Oh,
play
wow.
too.
Look at all that stuff, huh?
Huh?
Oh, there's doggies and pets, Polly pets, whatever.
I want this doggy. Oh, this is a
You happy?
horse. I want a horse.
Are you happy?
You
Show
like
me how
it?
happy are you.
This happy.
That's a princess in there. That's a princess, isn't it?